Right, sorry for the doodle. You're gonna have to put up with it. The pumpkin howl, if you ever hear the sound, then run for your custard screams. Or do I really mean run for your human? Or if you're not human, then do you run and hide? Or stay and put up a fight to protect your human friends from the pumpkin howl? The heck send you all so crazy in a lot of ways. And how do you stop the pumpkin howl? Well, we could have a pumpkin smash party and make some pumpkin stew and pumpkin soup. Now I'm hungry. So who's with me to stop this pumpkin howl, or are you all scared?